Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. I literally cannot see. My room is a mess and my bed is because I literally package everybody's stuff on my bed, which is not okay. And I was doing it right over here. Sorry, the lighting, it's so bright in my room that it looks so dark in camera. So this is the gold foil that's for the inside. This is where I weigh my packages. These are the stickers that I use. And then these are my thank you cards, which they say this on the back. So it's pretty cool because if you scan this, it leads you right to that Instagram. And then if you scan that one, it leads you right to my personal one. I'm kind of in a rush because I heard if you get there before 12 that they can ship out the packages in the same day. So I'm trying to do that. Love that. My first order. Sorry the TV's so loud, they're watching something, but I'm about to take a picture like right in the middle. Whatever show they're watching is mad intense. Ready to go. Okay you guys, so I'm back home. I was just like laying down, but I want to quickly show you my new like comforter. It's black. Oh my god, I freaking love it. It's so damn soft. Like, I know y'all could tell like what material it is. I hate that if you go like that, it looks lighter, but whatever. Y'all get the gist of it. As you can see, I'm watching Winter. Love her. She's so freaking funny. Yeah, what was I gonna say? I just finished taking like 2 pictures on my phone. I am wearing Winter today. I love the white one because it just goes with everything. I'm wearing it with just a nude shirt, a very loose fitted shirt and jeans, and then I'm wearing these Yeezys. As you could tell, I love wearing the bag as like a belt. Okay, anyway, so the post office, super quick. The website pretty much does everything. Everyone enters their information, and then I go to print out a label, and then I purchase the label, and then I go to the post office. I don't have to wait on the line. That's why everything is done in my house. My camera cut off. What was I saying? I print out the labels, I go to the post office, and all I do is drop it off. So I don't have to wait on the line, which I love. That's like my favorite part. It is a lot of work because I do have to create the boxes. Before creating them, I have to stamp it, make sure it's like even. And then the wrapping, I try to do it like as perfect as possible, but I did realize it shakes up a lot. So I'm like, oh my god, when people open it, I hope it looks as good as it did when I did it, but it's probably not. Put the sticker over it, add my little thing, close it up. I did make a TikTok video showing like step by step kind of, but if you guys have any questions on the packaging or what I use or where did I get it from, whatever questions you do have, you can leave down below. I'm so happy, so grateful about all the orders I received. A total of 20 orders. So for my first like launch, 20 orders is a lot. I mean, to me, and I'm super grateful, I'm super thankful. I cannot wait until the numbers just start going up and I'm like freaking out like, oh my god, this is so much work, because I know it is gonna get to that point one day, because I'm gonna speak it into existence, and I know I'm gonna be so tired and like frustrated, not frustrated but more like overwhelmed. But I mean, that's just what happens when you're a small business and you're doing everything on your own. But yeah, I'm starving. I have not ate, literally I have not ate anything, and it's probably, I was about to look at my camera, it's not my phone. It's 3:40 and I haven't ate not one thing all day. Oh, look at my background, by the way. So me and this person, we were on FaceTime, and they just like, it was like a rainy day or whatever. So you know when the window gets like that, where if you go like this, like you can draw something. Basically the person drew me, so that's supposed to be me, and I thought it was so cute because I didn't know that the person was doing that. And then like as we were talking, they just sent it to me, and then I saw it and I was like, oh my god. I think I spoke way too fast right there, but I think it's so cute. That's my little birthmark, that's my curly hair, and my lashes and my lips. I know the person didn't like the way it came out because they were just joking around, but I was like, no, you're crazy, like I love it, and I made it my background. Okay, my head is pounding. I have to go get something to eat. Wait, real quickly, over here I have Cash, I have Busy Bee, I have October's Own, Barbie Girl, I'm Blushing, Winter, Onyx, and then Blackout, which is the matte one. I think I have 2 left of the matte one, so if you guys want that one, order now. It's all over my Instagram and my TikTok, but the website is up. So if you have me on Instagram, the link is going to be in the description, but I'm also in my bio. But in the description over here on YouTube, I'm going to put my website there so you guys can share it, check it out, purchase, and whatever else. So the reason why I have these is because I didn't like, I'm so dumb. I did not even think like, okay, I'm selling these bags, but I need my own. So I did get my own. So those are them. And yeah, I'm really going to go to eat now because I can't take it anymore. And let me take my sneakers off because look at they're painting, and look what my stepfather did. MBKM. Hi, Riley. This is the toy that I got her. It's her baby. Right, Mama? That's your baby? That's your baby? Let's see if she gets it. Riley, get your baby. Go get your baby. Aww. You love him? I'm warming up the food from last night because I don't feel like cooking right now. It's gonna be too much for me to cook right now, and then, you know, I'm starving right now. Say hi. I've been taking a teaspoon of this. Alright. I'm legit taking off like the bag and my earrings and stuff because I have a headache for freaking waiting too long to eat. I hate when I do that. But there's this thing called elderberry, and it's really good for your immune system. I've been taking a teaspoon or a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons a day. I think you could have up to 3, but I've been taking 1 or 2 a day, and I hope it's working. It's supposed to be really good for you, so yeah. Let me go eat. Oh, and I'm watching Gossip Girl. It's so good. I'm up to the last season. This is like my 3rd time watching it, and I feel like I'm watching it for the first time again. It's so weird how everything feels brand new, but yeah, oh my god, love the show. All right, so update. I ate and then I almost fell asleep. Like every single time I eat and I'm in my room, I'm about to fall asleep. I'm so freaking tired, you guys. If anybody knows any ways to like promote my business or like get my name out in any way, please let me know, because I've been trying to figure out different things that I can do to get my name out there. Like I've actually, oh my god, my hair's being annoying. Now that the website is up, I made a couple of TikToks. They got 2,000 views, 259 views, and 3,000 views. I'm just hoping that, you know, it gets more views and my name gets out there. Like this video. So I'm so happy to announce the launch of my brand new business, MBKM. I'm now selling these beautiful mini purses. They do come in 7 colors right now. The link is in the description of my TikTok, so go check that out when you guys get a chance. Let me know what you guys think of the packaging. This is my first package ever, my first order. Shout out to Saxine. She did purchase I'm Blushing and Barbie Girl. It's really hard for small businesses to get their name out there, so if you can't purchase a purse, it would mean a lot if you guys can share this video or put it on your Instagram or whatever. Tell a friend to tell a friend, but I appreciate anything, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. Oh, and look, I posted this picture today on my Instagram, and yes, I like my own pictures because why shouldn't I? So this is the picture this is how the picture ended up coming out. Have all the orders next to me, and if you're like wondering what that pink one is, I did receive an order. Okay, where am I? Love that. So the pink package is this tray, because I haven't sent it out to this person because they were gonna come get it, but since they didn't come over, I'm able to finally send it to them. So that's that. I am taking orders for more resin products, more ashtrays, or you know, what else do I do? Coasters, rolling trays. My face is so oily, sorry, I'm being so annoying, but I'm about to just end the vlog off, to be honest. Like, I really think I'm about to take a nap. sorry for this vlog being so boring, but I still hope you guys love me, and thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you're notified every time I post a video. Bye.